Welcome back. This is Lucky Buttons, continuing my shop tour. This is my printing setup, and what it's become anyway. I'm going to go through some of my, old methods of stamping and printing and things, but I'll get to show my favorite today's method after. So, for a lot of years we've been making block print stamps, carving them out and setting them up, and then doing we've done like 11 by 17 posters for our band, all of our CDs. This is one of our old matchbooks, another roadside attraction. Like all the information on the inside. I think in the end I printed about like 28,000 of these or so. Yeah. This was our first book we published. It's a quick read, but every page strikes sparks. Boom. All right. So, this is my first method of stamping. It was a little bit hard on the wrists. I did like CDs and a bunch of bags and everything like this. So first, we ink the stamp. Make sure it's all wet. And then I would take a piece, put it down like this, and then press it down like this. Or like with a hand or something like that. Boom. It's okay. Looks pretty good. But then here's my next method. This is one that I learned way later on. So you ink your block, take your piece, then you take something like this, and then you just go over it. And you can pretty much just do it once. And that's at least as good as what we got here. Missed a little bit of my mind. Oops, I've lost my mind. So this is my way that I've been doing it lately. This is using my Arbor press. Take the card, put it on there. Take this guy, drop it right here. Give it a press here. Give it a press here. Easy peasy. I've got a much better looking print than the old methods. Now, one thing that I've learned with this, when I first started doing it, I used a hard surface on the bottom and then a hard surface here, and I squished and flattened out my stamps where these things just would fall off. It was just too much direct pressure. This is like a 1 or 2 ton machine, not much leverage. So I use this book because it gives a little bit when you press it, so it doesn't get too much. This is a piece of a nice slick cigar box, and then just kind of taped onto a piece of plywood for my press plate. I was kind of inspired by, I went to Williamsburg, Colonial Williamsburg, and in their print shop they had this press that went on the ceiling and had an arm here, and you'd pull the arm and it would press the paper. It was used for book binding or something like that. So I was thinking, okay, maybe I'll make an arm that could do this same maneuver, but I couldn't find any wood. And then I realized, I've got this nice handy Arbor press, so let's see if I can make that work. But yeah, I've made a whole bunch of bags and other stuff with this thing. It's pretty cool. All right, till next time.